Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how I get this nice turquoise diamond nail. Really simple and nice. Well, it wasn't simple, but you know, hey, I'm new to the nail game, so be patient with me. But I'm gonna show you how I created this look. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your bell so that when I upload you will get notified. So this is my natural nail. Yes, I already went ahead and I prep it. I like file it, clean it up, do all of that good stuff. So this is the way how it looks right now. And this nail, I did it last week, so make sure you guys check out last week's video, which I show you how I do this nice kind of like a fruit nail. Yeah, fruits. So yeah, check out last week's video. I will put it up on the screen so you can go ahead and check it out after this video. So this is a nail that I'm going to be using. Everything that I have, I got it from Amazon. I will try to put everything down in the description box, but everything I'm using is from Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead and put my nails on. And also this is the glue that I use. It's really nice, like it holds really fast. And yeah, so my nails is already on. So next I'm going to go ahead and just clip it off a little bit, not too much, because I kind of want to keep it a little bit long but not too long. But I'm just going to go ahead and just clip off a little tip on all of my nails, and then I'm going to go ahead and then clip off the sides because I kind of want a, what shape you call that again? A coffin shape. Yes, I want to have a coffin shaped nails just like the one that I have on my other nail on the other hand. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clip the sides off, not too much, just a little bit. And also guys, I will be in and out of focus because I'm doing my nails on my own, and it's really hard to keep your nails and your hand in focus on the camera while you're doing your own nail. Doing somebody else's nail is different, but when you're doing your own nails, it's really hard. So forgive me if I am in and out of focus. But yeah, so this is my nail file. This is the 180-100 nail file, and I'm gonna go ahead and just clean it up, the sides that I clip off, and then also take that just to blend my natural nail and my fake nail together on top. And as I had mentioned, it's really hard. I'm going to be in and out of focus, so sorry about that guys. And also this is my dominant hand. I am right-handed, and I'm doing my nails with my right hand to my left hand, so it's really hard. It was super duper hard to get it done because I'm right-handed. So yeah, I'm just going to continue to do this. So this is the way how I look after I blend everything together and clean up the nails. I'm gonna go ahead and just brush everything off. Yeah, and then next I'm gonna go in with my Dehydrator and Primer. This one is from Melody. I think that's the name of it. Melodies. Yeah, something like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and put on the Dehydrator first, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the primer on, and I'm only going to put it onto my own natural nail. I'm not going to put it onto the fake nail, just my natural nail. Next, this is my Mia Secret Liquid Monitor and Clear Acrylic. Everything will be Mia Secret today, and this one I got from Amazon. It's called, oh, don't remember the name, but I'll put it up on the screen. Don't worry about it. But it's like a nice aqua green color. It's really super duper pretty. So those are the two stuff that I'll be using today. And then this jar here, got it from Amazon, and I'm going to go ahead and pour my monomer into it. Then I'm going to go in with my brush. I love this brush so much. This is the yes, Melodies brush from Amazon. You see that it just looks so pretty, like when you put it up and down it just come right down. So yeah, this is the number 10 brush. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to put the clear because I'm putting color acrylic. So I prefer to put clear. You don't have to, it's just a preference, to be honest, because if you're gonna put a clear a colored acrylic and you want to go ahead and file and fill within a week or two or a month, you just go ahead and drill it off. But if you don't, your nail is gonna have that color on your nail, so you would have to soak it off. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put the acrylic on all of my nails. This is how it look after everything is done. Really nice and simple. Yeah, so next I'm gonna go ahead with that color. I love this color so much. So first thing first, I'm gonna go ahead and put my fingers onto that container because it was so hard for me, like so damn hard. So I'm gonna start with at the tip first, and to be honest, I really didn't care how if I put 10 beads or 3 beads, but I just want to make sure that I put the color, and the color is coated onto the nail. So it took me a while, so I did speed a lot up because I am really slow. So I'm gonna start with that first bead, clean off the sides just to keep that straight edge and not make it look crooked and crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on and then clean up wherever I need to clean up, and I'm just gonna continue to put all the way up till I reach the top. And also when I reach the top, I'm gonna make sure that it doesn't kind of flood the cuticle, even though it did a little bit, but I did clean it up. Guys, I'm not perfect. As I said, I started to learn how to do nails when the whole world, to be honest, was shut down. This when I started to do nails on my own. So hey, it's just a couple of months, so give me some time and I'll be fine. So it's not going to be perfect. This is just me showing you how I do my nails at home, different style, different design, all of that stuff. So as you can see that I did went over and clean up those sides areas so that the cuticle is not like flush, and just to make sure the cuticle flush and look good. But I did kind of flood the cuticle a little bit, but hey, I'm new to this game. But yeah, I'm just going to continue to do all the nails just like this, one color, and then at the end I'm just going to put some sparkling, some crystal and all of that stuff. So yeah, continue to watch me while I do my nails. So I will be encapsulating the nails with clear acrylic. So this is the way how it looked before I do that. And pretty much you just want to do the same thing like how you put on the polish, the gel, the acrylic, the same way. Just glide it on, but make sure it is like smooth, because if it's not smooth, you're gonna have a lot of work drilling it, filing it, all of that. It's, you know, it's a lot of work, because when I just start doing it, my nails was so bumpy. I was like, oh my god, what the hell is this? But if you're going to encapsulate your nails, just make sure that you're doing it very, very smoothly. As I show you, this is the natural, this is the way how this is the speed what I'm going at right now, and it's slow like hell. But you just want to make sure that it is smooth and nice, so that you don't have a lot of drilling to do at the end. So after everything is done, I'm gonna go in with my Melody Sue drill. I love this drill so much, and I'm gonna put it in between 3,000 and 5,000 RPM. This is the speed that, you know, I like to go at, and then I'm gonna turn it on, and then I'm just gonna start, you know, drilling. And this nail file, not nail file, what is it called? Damn, y'all need to help me with this shit. Like, it's hard. Okay, so I'm using, you know what? Everything I have is from Amazon, okay? Everything. So I'm just going to continue to just, you know, drill it and make sure that it's completely smooth. You do not want to drill too much. Just take your time, because you will cut yourself. I did not, but I know from people telling me that you will cut yourself. So just take your time and do it. So yeah, I'm just going to continue to file everything until it is completely smooth and nice. So this is the way how it looks after it is finished. As you can see, that it looks really nice and smooth. So I'm going to go in with my cuticle oil, and I like to do this. I like to put the cuticle oil after I drill everything and then go wash my hand. I just think that it look better. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but yeah. I'm going to put that on, wash my hands, then this is the way how it looks. So now I'm going to go in with my Bling, again from Amazon, and this is like a crystal gel, also from Amazon. And then also, I don't remember what you call this. I would have to look back on my orders from Amazon, but it's really nice. It's like a, you have to sprinkle it onto your nails to get it on. Like, it's super duper nice. It's like a angel dust crystal. Like, look at that, so damn pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and put it onto the container, and then put that nail gel all over my nails where I wanted to put, and then just sprinkle it all over my nails. But it's really, this part is simple. Like, this part I could close my eyes and do it, but to do your nails, to put it on, to drill it, to put on the acrylic, is mad hard. But you know, I will get it, and then it will become easy for me. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on all over this nail. I'm only gonna put it on this nail alone, and make sure that you put on the gel very smoothly, like really smoothly, and make sure that it doesn't touch your skin. I'm just gonna go ahead and just sprinkle it on right now, and you're gonna see the magic happen right in front of your face. Like, look at that. Look how pretty this is. And don't worry if it's all over your skin or around your cuticle. The glue, I mean the gel wasn't there, so it's not going to stick. So just go ahead and just clean it up, and then just press it in. It will hold, like, trust me, it will hold. And I did went ahead and cure it for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to go into the other section and put the bling. But every time I put the bling, I go in under my light for 30 seconds, and then you're good to go. So I'm just going to continue to do all the nails just like this. So now I'm gonna go in with my top coat. This is Beetle top coat, but it's really nice. It just make your nail look so glossy and nice. I'm not gonna put it onto the bling, just on my nail that is showing, and just, you know, do this onto all of my nails, and then go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. I like to cure it for more than 30 seconds when I finish everything. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to put it on onto all of my nails, and then go under my light for 60 seconds. So this is the way how it look after I'm done. I'm gonna go in with my cuticle oil, and I love this cuticle oil so much. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just rub it into my nails and all over my fingers. And this is the way how it look, guys, after I am done. I'm gonna show you in natural light, but this is the finished look doing my nails on my dominant hand. Really simple, nice, it's so cute. But yeah, this is the finished product, guys, and this is the way how it look in natural light. As you can see, that bling, that diamond is just shining. Like, look at that. As soon as it hit the light, look, it's just glistening. I love it so much. So yeah, guys, this is the finish, and I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to turn on your bell, turn on the subscribe button, so that you can get notified as soon as I upload. And as I said, I will be uploading nails video every single Friday, and the rest of the videos, the rest of the days, I will be doing hair and makeup. So make sure you are tuning in to see me. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.